Well, more breaking news coming in. We understand the Home Secretary is meeting the Home Minister Rajnath Singh over this now. The MHA might now be asking the MP Governor Ramnaresh Yadav to actually step down. That was one of the questions that was being asked, whether pending an inquiry the Governor should step down on this. We're going to try and get our correspondents on board for more information on this. But that is the latest we are getting. The Home Secretary has met Rajnath Singh, the Home Minister, and we're now getting information that the MHA might actually be asking the MP Governor Ramnaresh Yadav to step down. Abhishek is on the phone line with more details on this. Yes, Abhishek.
The Home Secretary has just met Home Minister Rajnath Singh. It was obviously on a call and requisition made by the Home Minister that the Home Secretary met him, and we are told that consultations took place on how to avoid a constitutional crisis with the Supreme Court notice to the Madhya Pradesh Governor Ramnaresh Yadav. And earlier also, in fact, the Union government had sought some explanation or taken some explanation from Mr. Yadav, the Governor of MP, with his name coming up in the FIR in connection with the Vyapam scam that has been rocking the whole MP and the government, specifically of Chief Minister Singh Chauhan. Now we are told that the government, as of now, the centre that is in a wait and watch mode. Their primary concern is to avoid any constitutional crisis, and possibly they might wait till the governor there receives this notice of the Supreme Court and expresses his views as sought by the apex court. So till that time, the government might wait. But earlier also, in fact, I must recall and inform that the government was of the opinion that it would be in the fitness of things if the governor puts in his papers on his own. Obviously, it was not pressed much in that at that time, and with the tragedy that had hit the family of the governor with his son dying, again another accused in the or his name had surfaced in the Vyapam scam. The government perhaps had decided not to really press things further, but it seems now that the Supreme Court has also come in picture and has issued a notice to the Madhya Pradesh governor. It's likely that the government, the centre that is, would keep its cards very clear, and immediately after the governor sends in his response to the Supreme Court, he might be asked to go.